Hello guys, this is my video 3 and it's about arrays. So what is array? An array is a data structure of many elements with the same data type. So how do I create an array? So first you choose the data type. So I want a string array. Then you put this bracket right here. This means that this is an array. And you call, you name what you want. So let me put students. And then new string array, and inside of these brackets I must put the size of the array. So I want an array of 3 elements. How do I populate this array with values, elements? So to access the array, so array starts from 0 until the end of the array, not 1, 0. So if I want to access the first element, I put 0, and then I can name something. Okay, so this is the first student. Okay, and what if I want to access the second and the third? So this is how we do it. Okay, so I have 3 students: Kawhi, Rodrigo, Pacheco. You should see that it goes until 2. The index goes until 2, but we have 3 elements. Okay. What if I wanted to? So I want to say who is the first, the second, the third in my class. What I can do is, no, let's do it differently. Let's access this and let's add a grade of A to these students. Okay, so I'm gonna use for loop. For loops are really handy when it comes to array. And while the for loop is less than the student's array length, I'm going to increment it, and I'm going to run this code. So how do I access that? So this index int I equals 0 is going to do the same thing that was doing before. So if I want to access all the elements of the array, I use this for loop and I just use I. So it's going to go 0, 1, 2, and when it hits 3, because the length is 3, 3 is not less than 3, right? It's the same thing. So it's going to stop. So let's access. So here on I want to grade an A. I want to give an A to these students. So I can do this, and then I can access. So I'm transforming. Okay, so I'm getting the element, and I'm gonna assign the element plus something else. So I'm transforming the element just by using the indexes of the array. I'm not doing like, I'm not hard coding. I'm doing automatically here. And I want to add got an A. And if I compile, nothing, no problems, no errors, so it should work. The way we can do it is system.out.println line and students I. If you run it, got an A, got an A, got an A. So in this short video, I hope you guys could see how to create an array. This could be integers, could be numbers, we could be manipulating numbers, we could be manipulating other objects, other types. So I hope you guys understood like how the index work. So we don't go using the index. Usually it's always going to be so if here was 10, the index would never go until 10, it would go until 9. So the last element usually is always the size of the array minus 1. And here we access the array and we transform the array. So we use the previous string and the current string, and then we added the string got an A. And here we just access the updated element of the array. So I hope you guys now have a better understanding on how to create and manipulate and get the element, get the value from the array elements. Thank you.